Is your budget just a bunch of numbers in a spreadsheet that you dread looking at? Because mine used to be. For years, I struggled with that traditional, complicated budgeting, moving money between multiple accounts and constantly checking balances. It felt like I was managing my bank, not my money. That all changed when I finally embraced Ally Bank's built-in tools. I've found 3 main tricks that have completely simplified my budgeting and actually made it a hands-off process. 1. Buckets are your digital envelopes. The single best feature is buckets. If you've ever heard of the envelope system, this is the digital version, and it's built right into your Ally savings account and spending account. In my savings account, I use buckets for my big goals. I have one for my emergency fund, one for vacation, and one for a new car down payment. I see the total savings balance, but crucially, I also see exactly how much I've earmarked for each goal. It's so motivating to see the vacation bucket filling up. This replaces having to open 3 separate savings accounts. In my spending account, I use buckets for my fixed monthly expenses. Think rent, utilities, and groceries. This ensures that the money for those bills is visually and mentally separated from my fun money. When my paycheck hits, I have my automated transfers set up to distribute the exact amounts into these spending buckets immediately. What's left over is my true discretionary spending, which is the most powerful trick. 2. The unbucketed balance is the true free money. Once the automated transfers have filled all my essential buckets, both saving and spending, I look at my unbucketed balance. This is the game changer. It's what I call my guilt-free spending pool. Everything in this balance is truly leftover. This is the money I can spend on eating out, new clothes, or a spontaneous trip to the hardware store without impacting my rent money or my emergency savings. If I want to do better, I simply transfer a portion of that unbucketed money directly into one of my savings buckets, or let it sit as a buffer. This trick completely eliminated my anxiety about overspending. If I stay within my unbucketed amount, my essential bills and savings goals are safe. 3. Let the boosters do the work. The final trick is activating Ally's boosters. I use 2. First, recurring transfers. This is how I achieve the set it and forget it budget. I've set up automatic transfers for my fixed amounts. The moment my direct deposit hits, a specific percentage goes into my savings account, and then it's distributed to my different savings and spending buckets. I don't lift a finger after the initial setup. Second, roundups. This is pure micro-saving. I link my Ally spending account to my savings account and turn this on. Every debit card purchase I make is rounded up to the nearest dollar, and once that spare change accumulates to $5, it automatically transfers to my savings. It sounds small, but it's pure effortless saving that adds up surprisingly fast. It's money I never missed, automatically put to work. Using the combination of buckets for visualization, focusing on the unbucketed balance for clarity, and activating boosters for automation, I went from a stressed-out budgeter to a confident money manager. It's a truly seamless system that keeps my money organized and working toward my goals, all within 2 accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.